Hi guys, welcome to this episode of BoosCruize. Today we have a BoosCruize review on HighKey protein cereal in frosted. So if you're interested in that, stick around for this episode of BoosCruize.
Hi, I'm Jarrell.
And I'm David.
I am 34 years old.
Many of you saw our other review on the HighKey protein. It was in the fruity, which is like Fruity Pebbles, and some of you even went out and got that. Well, today we are doing the frosted. I'm so excited that HighKey brought this to us, and so excited that they gave us a discount code because the Fruity Pebbles, I ate 2 boxes of them over the last month, and I'm not ashamed of it. And I have no guilt because it is literally 0 grams of net carbs. 0. And the Fruity Pebbles, I honestly didn't even eat them for breakfast. I ended up eating them for snacks, which is not a very keto thing. But sometimes after dinner, I like a little sweetness. Or sometimes in between, I don't want a full meal, but I want like a little something. And as a kid, that something used to be cereal. And I kind of gave that up when I started keto. And I was like, all right, well, you know, low carb, keto, no cereal. Goodbye, cereal. Except HighKey has brought that back. And with clean ingredients. So if you guys are interested, it is 90 calories per serving, and there's half a cup in a serving. Here are the ingredients, and they're so good. There's not that many. Milk protein isolate, erythritol, which is a natural sweetener, a medium chain triglycerides, which is MCT, inulin, allulose syrup. Allulose is also a keto approved sweetener, sunflower lecithin, natural vanilla flavor, salt, monk fruit extract, which is also a natural sweetener. That's it. What? I don't even understand. So I have my unsweetened vanilla almond milk, which is my milk of choice when having my keto cereal, and we are going to see exactly how this tastes. Again, this has not been opened. I am trying this for the very first time with you guys, and I'm super excited about it because I love Frosted Flakes. Did you guys, when you were little with Frosted Flakes, did you eat them with bananas in them, or did you just have them like straight, you know, Frosted Flakes? So this is how it looks. It's very similar to how the other cereal was. It's these kind of like Rice Krispie treats, and if this is anything like the other ones, they are super, super crispy. So, crispy. They're not Rice Krispie treats, or not Rice Krispie cereal, but the other ones were super, super crispy, so they would stay well in milk. I'm just going to cut off the edge, and let me do the smell test for you. So, it smells like sweet. It smells like Frosted Flakes. Half a cup, we're gonna go with about a half a cup serving, so just 1 serving. Right in there. Ugh, it smells like, I don't know, it just smells like something I shouldn't be having, but I have no guilt, again. So a little bit of the vanilla almond milk cereal. Do you guys like a lot of milk, or do you like a little bit of milk? People are different in that way. I like enough to cover it, but I also like the milk afterward, especially in the Fruity Pebble one. Ugh, the milk was so good. Okay, so first impressions. Jarrell is away, so I had to do this without him, but he's gonna try this when he gets home. Okay, first impressions. Oh, I'm nervous, and I'm also excited. Okay. Guys. It's so good. It's so good. Okay, so I'm trying to talk without my mouth full, but it literally tastes like the cereal of your childhood. It's super sweet, which is good because it's gonna sweeten your milk, because this is unsweetened almond milk. Well, not anymore. So it's super crunchy. It literally has the same exact mouthfeel of Rice Krispies. In fact, I would say this literally okay. Did you ever have, it was only available for a short period of time, but did you ever have the Rice Krispie cereal? Not Rice Krispie treat cereal. Not Rice Krispie cereal because that's not really sweetened, or if it is, it's very light. At one point, they had Rice Krispie treat cereal, and it tasted exactly like this cereal. It's crunchy. It gives that. In fact, oh my gosh, I bet this would be so good if you made, well, if you could find some keto marshmallows, Rice Krispie treats out of this would be insane. Or if you melted down some Lily's chocolate chips or some other keto approved chocolate and then added these to it and made like a Nestle's Crunch, guys, sky's the limit. I'm obsessed with this. I will absolutely be reordering the HighKey cereal. Like, as soon as this is done, I'm getting another one. They have a Cocoa Crispy one that I'm dying to try. I love Cocoa Krispies. I just love cereal. Like, I like cereal even more than Jarrell likes cereal. Jarrell is an ice cream kind of guy. He loves like ice cream and things like that. He'll always get some sort of like keto bar, like ice cream bar, or some sort of like enlightened and things like that. Whereas I'm like, this is super easy and it's light and it's zero. Have I said it's zero carbs? I don't know how. HighKey. How? Anyway, I would say this is like a 4.5 out of 5. Like, I'm obsessed with this. I will buy this with my own money. Absolutely. $11 a box. I'm gonna do it. I just got to. But you don't have to. Guys, if you check down, HighKey was amazing enough that they gave us a discount code. Just go down into the description box and our link, as well, our affiliate link, as well as a discount code, which is at BoosCruize, will be down there, and you guys can get discounts. I know some of you are already buying this, and I felt really bad because it is kind of pricey, but worth every penny. And so I was like, guys, you shouldn't have to pay full price for this. No one should have to pay full price for things, in my mind. So yeah, I love it. I love it. I'm so glad that I can try things for you guys. So many of you have responded so well to these. Oh, I forgot the song. Oh, okay. So this has been a BoosCruize reviews. I can't believe I forgot the jingle. Oh well, I got it in before I ended the video. I would have been so sad. Anyway, guys, make sure you stick around. There are going to be some other reviews coming up, some other cooking videos. I'm sorry, I know a lot of this stuff has been in our house, but we're in the middle of a pandemic, and we are taking it seriously. So a lot of things have been indoors. I mean, we've shown you guys ski lifts, we've shown you the lake, we've shown you the beach, we've shown you hiking on a mountain. That's almost all we can do that is socially distanced. So some of you may enjoy these, some of you may not. Just stick with us, hang out with us. It's all about just spending time with our booze anyway. We love you. If you know someone who is keto or has sugar issues or things like that and is diabetic, these are amazing. Show them the link, show them, give them the discount so they're not paying full price. And we will see you next time right here on BoosCruize. That's at BoosCruize, because you're worth it, E. We love you guys.